Hello, everyone. This is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries, and I am here today with Samantha, and we are going to show you our 1611 paper folder. A quick moment about Martin Yale. We are a U.S. owned and operated company. We've been here since 1940, located in Wabash, Indiana. This machine that we're looking at today is made right here in our factory in Wabash. This is my favorite folding machine, just as kind of a side note. It's great for use in mailrooms, offices, churches, and schools. Operates at about a speed of up to 9,000 sheets per hour. Super easy to use, high-speed folding machine for larger mailrooms. Has a feed table capacity of 150 sheets of 20-pound bond paper. That's just regular copy paper. Automatic feed, folding, and stacking of documents. It has an enhanced precision paper skew adjustment. We'll show you that in just a moment. And this machine will fold stapled or unstapled sets of up to 5 sheets using the manual bypass. It is minimum paper size 4.75 inches by 5 inches, up to 8.5 by 14 inches. 16-pound bond paper up to 28-pound bond, which is about 105 GSM. The fold tables are manually set. The unit we're looking at today is 115 volt, but it is also available in a 230 volts if you need to send it overseas or have another application that needs a different power. Does the most common 7 fold types. And we'll take a quick look at the machine and then Samantha's going to run it for us. Super easy to use. There's a fold chart here on the front. It's going to kind of help you figure out where to set your settings. Nice and color coded, which makes it easier. This fold table on the top, the rulers also have the color coded, and there's also like a little picture there to help you figure out which fold you need to use. There's also another fold table on the bottom underneath here. This is fold table 2. And there is a 2 on the end of it just to tell you where it goes. Same function as the top one, it's just a little bit shorter because it's on the bottom. And then this is our exit tray. You can see underneath there, there's some stacking wheels there. Those stacking wheels are going to catch the paper as it comes out to keep it nice and neat. It's a conveyor exit, so it keeps everything nice and in order. And our feed table on the top, adjustable feed guides. This is spring loaded. The nice thing about this particular machine is it does feed from the bottom, so you can put more paper on the top as it goes. You just push it down, load the paper, and then you have a skew knob up here. This is just for a fine adjustment if you've got some skewing on your fold. And this slot in the middle, that is your manual bypass. If you need to use that to do more than 1 sheet at a time, you just put your set in there, turn it on and let it go. So all there is to this is there's a power switch. We're going to switch that on. And it turns on. There's just a little green light here that tells you that it's on. This machine is factory set to do 8.5 by 11 letter folds. And it really is, seriously, this just came out of the box and it works like that easy out of the box. That's why this is my favorite machine, just because it's reliable and it's very, very easy to use. You don't have to fan the paper. And this is it. This is all there is to it. So it's very easy and simple. Any questions or anything else anybody wants to see? All right, well, as always, if you need to get a hold of us, you can email us at info@martinyale.com, or you can call us at 800-225-5644, or you can look at our website, martinyale.com. Hope everybody has a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Good job.